Uri Hashem, c'est Shabbos.
This cucumber salad, this coleslaw, will make your schwigger proud.
Uri Hashem, c'est Shabbos.
Welcome back to another episode of BHIS, right here on kosher.com. First thing I want to do is thank my sponsors at Baron Herzog for sponsoring this show, for making this happen. Let's drink to that. Nice chilled wine, the Baron Herzog Chenin Blanc. It's crispy, it's yummy, and it does the trick. Made right here in the USA. Today, let's make some traditional coleslaw cucumber salad. Let me teach you how to do this quick and easy. I do this every week in my house. I'm just gonna make believe. I'm in my kitchen making a mess and just hoping Jovanita comes to clean up. Let's get rolling. Okay, so I got my brewing machine. We have a few different blades over here. I'm gonna use these two for the coleslaw. You could use this one for the cucumber salad. We're gonna use a mandolin. I'm gonna start with the small grater blade. Carrot first. And let's go with the cabbage. I'm gonna start with the bigger blade. I'm done with this. Get everything off. Let's not waste anything. Done with this. Here we go. Look at the cabbage. It's beautiful. This is from the bigger blade, and then we're gonna have the smaller one right here. So you got a nice, beautiful texture in your coleslaw. Give me a minute, let me clean up, I'll be right back. So here we are, we're all cleaned up. As you can see, we're just trying to make this look so easy, right? My cabbage, my carrots. Here comes the fun part. This is not a Rory episode. Lots of sugar. Some vinegar. You know we use Geffen mayo over here. Come on. And a little salt and pepper. You have to give it a good mix. You have to let it sit a little bit. I don't have time for this whole spoon mixing. The way we do it in the catering world, put on gloves and you go right in. Anybody know the songs? I'm a lime chick, but I kiss met a coleslaw. Yeah, met a Frankfurt to go. While my coleslaw is sitting right there, I'm gonna taste it in a few minutes. Let's start on the cucumber salad. Persian cucumbers are the best for cucumber salad. You don't even have to peel it. All you wanna do is take off the ends. You can use the slicing blade on your brewing machine if you want. That's probably the easiest way. Or this is the perfect way to get your knife skills going. Fingers like this, never like this. Fingers this way, all right? And this is what you wanna do. You keep on moving along. And then you eat this one. Now, if you want to be more perfect, get one of these mandolin slicers. Super simple. This will be the exact size, every single one. Look at that. Perfect. You have to be very careful when you get to the end. So for good luck, the last one. I almost got my finger. So here we are with the cucumbers, all beautifully sliced. I forgot my bowl, Raisik, you may. without your wife. How you gonna do this? Yeah. Next, I'm gonna put in some scallions. Always need a little color. Red onion. Nice slice. Right in there. I like to add some fresh dill. Takes your cucumber salad to the next level. I'm gonna put some vinegar in, but before I put vinegar in, I'm gonna put in a lime. But I don't have my lime here. Here we go, batter's up. Squeeze in the lime. The whole thing. There's no pits in the lime, so you're okay. You don't have to like, All right. Now, trivia question, okay? If anybody can figure out why we have zucchini and tomatoes over here, let me know. Email me, emailkosher.com, just figure it out. Vinegar. And now one more time, mucho sugar, like a lot. Oops, salt and pepper. So now, this has to sit a little bit. In the meantime, let's taste the coleslaw. Coleslaw and cucumber salad. Staple of Shabbos food. Let's start with the coleslaw. Beautiful. Look at that. I love the sauce of the coleslaw. You ever had like the crispy crust from the challah and then you dip it into the sauce of the coleslaw? Yum. Let's do a little taste. Hold on, does it go well with the Baron Herzog? Yeah, I'm sure it does. I can eat this with the fish dish, with the main dish, not with the soup. Let's go to the cucumber salad. I think to finish off the cucumber salad, do a little bit of the Tuscanini extra virgin olive oil. Give a nice little touch. Let's give it a mix. Now we get the taste. Now I love the colors. You use the Persian cucumbers, you can leave the peel on, the fresh dill, the red onions, and the scallions. Yum. Let's go right in. Shall I make another brucha? So crunchy. I think the lime and the dill take it to the next level. Coleslaw, cucumber salad. Top it off with a little Baron Herzog, a Chenin Blanc. Oh, I had it ready. Sorry. L'chaim. So, here we go. Carrots first. How stupid am I? When I grew up, my grandmother would make cucumber salad. Ze geheißen Ugarka Shalato.
Uri Hashem se Shabbos.